Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Today, I'm going to show you something. We're going to boil some eggs. And this is the best part. We're going to boil them in the microwave. I know. Stick with me because you don't want to miss this. You really don't want to miss this. Okie dokie. All right, what I've got here is a less than perfect microwave bowl. Now that's what the first thing you need. You need a microwave safe bowl of some kind. And I'm going to cover the eggs. I've got 6 eggs in here, and I'm going to cover them with water. You have to make sure they're covered. Okay? That looks pretty covered. All right. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in about 2 teaspoons of salt. So, now, this is what I have discovered. 1, 2. Okay, good enough. This is what I've discovered in researching how to boil eggs in the microwave. You must have the salt because supposedly the salt keeps the eggs from bursting. So, all right, number 1, microwave safe bowl. Make sure it's a deep bowl. Number 2, eggs. Number 3, enough water to cover the eggs. And number 4, make sure you put at least 2 teaspoons of salt in your water. Number, what was that? I forget. Okay. Then you gotta have a plate of some kind. I find that the plastic lid for the bowl pops off quickly, so I'm using a plate. And we're gonna put this in the microwave. Here you go. Putting it in the macro. See there? There it is. Microwave. I'm gonna put it on the plate. There's the plate. Awesome. Now then, we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. And this is full power. Don't be scared. I was scared the first time I did this, but okay, we're going to do it. All right. 10 minutes. Okie dokie, it's done. Don't be scared. All right. There they are. They don't look broken. So, all right. I'm going to take them out and we'll go to the next step. Aren't you excited? All right, now you got to be really careful when you take it out. And if you have a microwave safe glass bowl, you can use one of those. It's no problem. So I'm going to show you here real quick. That's what it looks like. They're not cracked, and they are not, they're not cracked or broken. So all right, I'm going to put my plate back on, and I'm going to let them sit here for 10 minutes. Now, here's the thing. When I boil eggs, I cook them. I do a hard boil for about 5 minutes on the stove, and then I put a lid on, take them off the heat, and I let them set for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to do the same thing here. And also, just so you know, I covered these with cold water, not hot water. Some say hot. I don't do that. I just do the cold. All right, we're going to be back. 10 minutes. Aren't you excited? All right, 10 minutes is up. Now I'm going to take the plate off. Now, I just want to caution you, you be careful because this is hot. It's hot water, boiling water, so you got to be careful. All right, so I'm going to grab my little pot holder here just in case. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to drain this. I'm going to pour it in the colander, drain out the hot water. See? And then I'm going to put it back in the bowl. Awesome. And now I'm going to cover the eggs with cold water. So, cover, cover, cover. Now, because I'm going to cool them down because I want to peel them. And I'll give you a little hint here. When you are peeling eggs, you ever notice the shape of your egg? See the shape of your egg? One end is narrow, like almost pointy. The other end is wider. If you crack this end first, there's always a little space in there between the white and the shell. And that, if you start peeling it there first, it enables you to peel your egg easier. Let me see if I can show you with one hand. Now, see there? Look, see how that was a little, there was a little space there. That's awesome. I found that out quite a few years ago, and it works every time. Okay, so now I'm just going to crack my eggs because I think they're nicely boiled. And we're going to come back, and I'm going to show you what we got. Oh, it's the little things that make me happy. All right, be back. All right, I got this egg peeled. Look at that. It's boiled. You guys, you're going to love me. Don't you love me? Okay, let's cut into it. Just to show you that I'm not lying. Come on now, you stay still, little eggy poo. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got. This is awesome. Look at that. Boiled egg in the microwave. You cannot beat that. Okay? This is awesome. It really is. This is a game changer. So, I did half a dozen eggs in the microwave. I boiled them. So I'm telling you, you follow my instructions exactly, and you too can have microwave boiled eggs. So that's one nifty thing for you, plus a bonus because I showed you exactly how to crack your egg. Okay? All right. I love you. If I can do it, you can do it. And just remember that little is much when God is in it. Okay? Love you. Bye.